Hello student, welcome in our standard 6 mathematics chapter number 11. Dear student, in these lessons we can study different kind of algebraic expressions, equations, etc. My dear student, today's sessions is going to start. Before you don't forget to keep your everything ready with you, stationaries items, as well as you are ready for your physical and mental exercise. Yes, prayer also there. Silent prayer is very important. So here is the exercise 11.1. Questions are there. Find the rule which gives the number of matchsticks required to make the following matchsticks patterns. Use a variable to write the rule. Okay students, pattern of T, U, E, A, Z, V and S. Second question is that we already know the rule for the pattern of letter L, C, F. Some of the letters from question 1 given above give us the same rule as that given by L, which are this. Why does this happen? Cadets are marching in a parade. There are 5 cadets in a row. What is the rule which gives the number of cadets given the number of rows? So like that way, there are 7 questions in there in 11.1, in then after 9 and 10, and 2 more are there, 10 and 11. 11 questions we have to solve. Look at here, some matchsticks are shown. For one triangle, how many matchsticks are needed? 3 matchsticks are needed. Okay. For 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Isn't it? For 3 triangle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are there. Is it there? And then after 9. Like that way it will be possible. 1, 2, 3 and 4 triangle need a 4. Isn't it? So we can make some formulas for this one. Look at here for first answer, exercise number 11.1, standard 6 mathematics. Making a pattern of letter is equal to 2n. As 2 matchsticks used in each letter. Yes, my dear student, for T, we are needed 2 matchstick, 1 and 2nd. Can you write like this way? Suppose this is a matchstick. Isn't it? Correct. Look at the Z. How many are needed? 3n. For 1 T, 1. For second T, other second also needed. Isn't it? For Z, 1, 2 and 3 matchsticks are needed. For U also 3 are needed. V 2. E needs the 5. S need also 5. A needs the 6 matchsticks. Yes, my dear students, this is so simple questions. We are not wasting time for these types of questions. The letter T and V that has the pattern 2n. L also having the 2. Second one. Letter number of rows is equal to n. Cadets in each row. 5 are there. So how many total are there? 5 into n. NCC cadets. Yes. Number of boxes are B. Number of mangoes in each box are 50. Will gives you a total. How many mangoes are there? Boxes multiplied by the mangoes in each box. That means a 50B. 50B is a expression. Yes, my dear student. This is the monomial. It's a coefficient and this is the variable. We already studied in our introduction session. Look at here. Time taken by a bird is 80 minutes. Speed of bird is 1 kilometer per minute. So therefore it's covered into 1 into 2, that's a 1 kilometer distance covered by a bird. Number of dots in each row are dot, 8s are there. Number of rows are R. Isn't it? Therefore number of dots is equal to 8 into R, 8R. Suppose there are the 8 dots and 8 rows. How many are there? 8. It's a 64 dots are needed. Suppose there are the 10 rows. So we can say 10 into 8. It gives you 80 dots. Yes, my dear student, that is the right one. Look at the question number 7. Radha's age is X year. Now we are going to start our real question answer from here 7. See student, here up to there we are not wasting our time. Now main questions is here. Suppose this is the Radha is drawing a dot rangoli, a beautiful pattern of lines joining dots with chalk powder as in figure. She has 8 dots in a row. How many dots will her rangoli have for R rows? How many dots are there if there are 8 rows? If there are 10, then also fine. Dear student, you don't know about this one. Rangoli is nothing but you are have to making a dots. According to our questions, in a row there are 8 dots. How many dots are there, students? 8 dots. In one line there are the 8 dots. Is it there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dots are there. Okay, this is called the R. Okay, now they ask us how many dots are there for 8 rows and 10 rows. So we can make here 8 rows here also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is R1, this is R2. Okay, once again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This is R3, row number 3. As well as it is R8. 8 rows are there. So 8 rows also 8 1 dot dot dot. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 rows are there according to this way. Now count how many total are there. So suppose this is a 8 and this time also 8. So we are knowing 8 into 8. What will be the answer? 8 8 is 64. So this 64 dots will make for our first answer. In place of 8 there are 10 rows. So in one row 8 and 10 rows are 8. It's a 8R. Our formula is 8R. In the place of R we are writing 8, then in place of R 10. So 8 tens are 80 dots are there in 10 rows. Clear the idea? Anyone has the doubt for this one? No. Very good, very good, very good. Now look at the question number 8. Leela is Radha's younger sister. Leela is 4 years younger than Radha. Can you write Leela's age in terms of Radha's age? Take Radha's age for X years or age to be X years. My dear students, from the question you can find the answer because answer is lying inside the question in mathematics. So if you read the question twice, thrice, you will have the answers. It is very clearly written that things how to write the answers. Isn't it? So Leela is Radha's younger sister. First of all, in the last sentence you can say take Radha's age to be X years. So Radha's age is suppose, yes my dear student, Radha's age is X years. Is X years. Can we write like this way? Why not? It is given as per the question. Okay, what the things is given? Leela is Radha's younger sister. Very good. And Leela is younger. Leela is 4 years younger than Radha. Younger means beta? Kam ya bada? Smaller or bigger? Smaller. So Leela's age is, what will be the answer? Age is X minus 4 years. Why X minus 4 years, student? Because according to the questions, it X means Radha's age and minus 4 means 4 years younger. So Leela's age is X minus 4 years. Let's check, is it there or not? So like that way we can find the answer. Radha's age is equal to X years. Isn't it? Yes. Therefore Leela's age is equal to X minus 4 years. Is it easy? You got the idea, beta? Anyone has doubt regarding this one? No. It's so simple. It's so simple. Okay. Now look at here. Number of laddus gave away. How many are there? L. Suppose it's a L. We don't know. Unknown number are variable. It should be denoted with the alphabet, especially second alphabets, or you can say small alphabets, A, B, C, D. Here laddu, that's why we can take L. No problem. Number of laddus remaining. How many are remaining, beta? Only 5 are remaining. Okay, what should they ask us? Total number of laddus, how many are there? Distributed plus left. It is there. So total laddus were there L plus 5. L plus 5 means there were L and then plus remaining laddu we should have to write. In this exercise, just we have to form the expressions only. An expression having the terms. In this question, there are two terms. One is L and second is phi. That's called the binomial. It's called the binomial. Isn't it, student? Binomial means two terms are there. If there is only one term, suppose this is the x. X is a monomial. What is that, students? Monomial. Isn't it? Monomial, that means one term. Only one there. 2x is monomial or binomial? Okay. Yes, correct. It's a monomial. Let's check the ninth answer. What the ninth answer is telling us? Number of oranges in one box is x. And there are two boxes. So x plus x, 2x. Or you can multiply directly 2 into x. That will give us answer 2x. Okay. And remaining are there. How many are there? After 2 box, remaining are 10. So total how many oranges are there? The 2 boxes plus remaining are there. That's a 10. Will gives you a 2x plus 10. Is it? 2x plus 10. Is it? Will you get it the answer here? 2x plus 10. Yes, my dear student, it is right. Look at the 10th one, A. What is showing us? A square, double square, triple square. Then after 4 square. If we remove one from each, then they makes table of 3. Can you write this one? देखो सब में से एक एक निकाल दो बेटा. Let's check. We can cut one. We can cut one. We can cut one. We can cut one. How many are left there now? 1, 2, and 3. So here 3. Count it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 3 are there. Then after here also 3, 6. Here also 3, 9. Okay. By removing this one, beta. Cut it. Okay. 3, 3, 9, 3, 3, 12. So total were there before 4 were there. Then after minus 1 will give you a 3. Minus 1 gives you a 6. Minus 1 gives you a 9. And minus 1 gives you a 12. Is it? Can you get the idea what you are going to say now? Making the equation, you can say it's the table of 3 plus 1. So suppose that x is the number of boxes. 1 boxes. Yes, very good beta. 3x plus 1. X is equal to 1. 3 ones are 3 plus 1 4. Suppose there are 2 boxes. So 3 2s are 6 plus 1. 7 were there. Yes, it is right. 8 are there. 9 are there. 1 by 1 you can count. And at last 13. How many boxes are you can find in here? 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes. So 3x plus 1 in place of x. Now put 4. 3 into 4 plus 1. 3 4s are 12 plus 1 13. Is it? That's why here 13 is written. Is it? Correct. Now look at the last answer. B. A triangle. How many matchsticks are there? 3, 7, 10, 13. Same way here, can we remove one stick from the each figure? Why not? Suppose we are removing this stick, this stick, this stick. Isn't it? And count it. Now 12, 9, 6. Isn't it? No. It's a 2, 4, 6, 8. If you remove the one from each of the figure, one matchstick, then there will be a 2 matchstick, 4 matchstick, 6 matchstick, 8 matchsticks, etc. So according to the question, so how many are there matchsticks are lying? It is lying 2x plus 1. It's a binomial. 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1. So first picture one triangle. 2 ones are 2 plus 1. Total are 3. Suppose there is a 2. So 2 2s are 4 plus 1. Is it equal to 5? 5 are there or not? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Isn't it? So here your answer is very simple way. And second one, 7 matchstick. How it will make the 7 matchstick? Count it. Then means 2. 3 2s are 6. So here 2x plus 1, that is a 3. Then 2 matchsticks are 2 2 जा 4 plus 1 5 5 आना चाहिए बेटा देखते हैं बेटा 1 2 3 4 और 5 इधर बाय मिस्टेक लिख दिया 7 so that means say 5 will be there. What will be the answer here? 5 matchsticks are there. Here how many are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 are there. Here is 7. 3 to the 6 plus 1 7. I think so it is repeated of previous questions. By mistake it was there. So I correct myself. 3 3 are 9, 3 4 are 8, 8 plus 1. That means here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are there. How many are there, beta? 9. So 4 2 are 8, 8 plus 1, 9. So our actual formula is right. 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1. Is it easy? Anyone has doubt regarding this one, beta? So making the equation, it's so simple. You can write very easily. So now 11.1 is over. We are moving for 11.2. It is little bit different kind of question of algebra. The side of an equilateral triangle is shown by L. Express the perimeter of the equilateral triangle using L. Yes, my dear student, equilateral triangle. We are knowing equilateral triangle means all the three sides are equal. Isn't it? And we are representing this by L. This is by L. Okay. For what? We have to draw first of all a triangle whose measure is L. And all are L. 1L. Sorry beta. 1L. Second L. And third L. Because three sides are there. How many sides it has? 3 sides. And all sides are equal. By putting this symbol, we can say this is the equilateral triangle. Now what they ask us, find the perimeter of this triangle. We are knowing what is the perimeter. Perimeter is nothing. You can start to walk from one place to another place. At the same place you have to return back. One, you can move in here, then after up, then after down. We can come back to the same point. So first of all, how much distance we traveled? L. Again, we are moving from here to here. That is also L. Okay. Now from the top to down, it is also plus L. What is the answer, beta? L plus L plus L. That means its answer is 3L. What will be the answer, beta? 3L. Correct? Yes. It is right, my dear student. 3L is the answer of first one. What is 3L? It is the perimeter of a regular triangle, or you can say equilateral triangle. See, same way here, beta, you can find the side of a regular hexagon. Hexagon, beta, what is the hexagon? Will you can tell me, anyone? Yes, why not? It is the hexagon means it has a 6 sides. Check it. 6 sides are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 sides are there. And this all 6 sides are equal. That's why I put the same dash is there. Isn't it? Correct. Now look at here. It's a equilateral hexagon, or we can say it's a regular hexagon. Equal size of the each and every one. It is denoted by L. Express the perimeter of the hexagon using L. Here int is given, beta. Int is given means, yes, my dear student, int is given, that means a regular hexagon has all its 6 sides in the length, equal length. Clear? Okay. Now look at here. Third one. A cube is a 3-dimensional figure. It has 6 faces and all of them are identical squares. Okay. The length of an edge of the cube is given by L. Find the formula for the total length of the edges of a cube. We should have to find out what the length of an edge of the cube is given by L. Find the formula for the total length of the edges of the cube. All the edges. Fourth number question. The diameter of a circle is a line which joins 2 points on the circle and also passes through the center of the circle. In the adjoining figure, AB is the diameter of the circle. C is its center. Express the diameter of the circle D and terms of its radius. Isn't it? So here AB is the diameter and CP is the radius. CP is the radius and CA is also radius, CB is also radius, because there are three radius, and when the two radius passes through the center, it's called the diameter. Isn't it? Okay. Fifth question. To find the sum of three numbers 14, 27 and 13. We have two ways. First, we may first add 14 and 27 to get 41 and then add 13 to get the total sum 54. Or B, we may add 27 and 13 to get 40 and then add 14 to get the 54. So we can write this statement like this way. पहले दो नंबर लिए, बाद में थर्ड नंबर ऐड किया. That two numbers are put in the bracket and then is equal to sign. First number is separate and second and third number we can join. Now, can we do for any three numbers? This property is known the associativity of addition of number. Express this property which we have already studied in the chapter of whole number in a general way by using variable A, B and C. Isn't it? Okay. Let's check the answers 1 to 5 of exercise 11.2. First of all, side of the equilateral triangle is L. Therefore, perimeter of equilateral triangle is equal to 3 into side. That means a 3L. 3 into L. Actually, it's a 3 into L. No need to write multiplied. We can write directly 3L because we are now expressing this way. Okay. Next, question number 2. What is the question number 2? It's a hexagon. And hexagon and how many sides? 6 sides are there. 6 into L. 6L. So here question 1 and question 2 has nothing to do. Just you have to put the answer. Question number 3. Length of one edge of a cube is equal to L. How many edges are there? You counted. It's a 12 edges are there in a cube. Yes. You don't know how many are there. Okay, let's check it. How many are there? 12. How it become? Let's count. Sorry student, I want to take a little bit down so you can get clear idea. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then after 9, back side 10, that side 11 and 12. 12 L are there. L. All the measurements are L. So how many you counted students? 12 sides. How many sides were there? Or you can say edges. Yes, my dear student, edges. And vertex 6 means a joining point. We were done that things in our solid shape chapter also. Okay? Good. So here 12 were there. That's why we can write a 12L. Isn't it? I will zoom it and you can check very clearly. I hope so. These two answers you can see. For the hexagonal side is L and hexagon has 6 sides. So 6L. Regarding the third answer, you are having the length of one edge is L. Suppose they can give A in exam, they can change it. So according to the questions, you should have to use it. Don't make whatever you are having, but according to the questions, if they specify L, write down L. If they specify A, write down the A. Okay? So there are 12 number of edges. So we can say total length is equal to L into 12. Don't write L12, but write 12L. Why it is a 12L? Generally, we are writing number first and then after the variable name. Correct. Look at here, fourth question. What is the fourth question, beta? Since length of a diameter is double the length of the radius. We are knowing these things already. Diameter is nothing but 2r. 2r means 2 into radius. Isn't it? So therefore we can write 2r. I already shown in the figure, if a line is passing through the center, that means suppose this is AB. At AB means here O. So OA plus OB will give you a AB. Is it or not? The total distance is AB. But OA plus OB, we are knowing OA is radius, OB is also radius. So what is AB? It's a 2R. What is that? 2R. But we are knowing a D, A to B is a D. D means a diameter. What is that, beta? Diameter. Clear? So that's why here is that answer is D is equal to 2R. Last one, but not least, you can say A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. How you can say this thing? Suppose according to our questions, I will say A is equal to 3, B is equal to 5 and C is equal to 7. Let's check the all examples with this value. According to this one, LHS is equal to A plus B, that means 3 plus 5 in one bracket, isn't it? Okay. Then after C, that means a 7. That means a 7. So 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. 8 plus 7 will give me a 15. What is my LHS, beta? LHS is 15. LHS is equal to 15. Remember this word. Okay. Now regarding the RHS, this one is finished. This one is finished. I will make it a now RHS. I will make it as a RHS. Is it? Let's check for this RHS. Okay. I will rub it and now take it once again. Oh, by mistake I did the same thing. Okay, no problem. I will take the once again. Rubbing. Yes, my dear student, this number will be changed. Let's check. This is the RHS. This is the RHS. Now what is the RHS? R means A is to write first. A means 3. Can I write 3 here? In bracket B and C. What is B? 5 plus 7. What will be the 5 plus 7? Yes, 3 is as it is. 5 plus 7 is a 12. Is it? So 3 plus 12 already finished. RHS is equal to 15. So both the way RHS 15, LHS is also 15. I just change the numbers. Yes. So here two numbers are together. Here these two numbers are together. Here A plus B. First two numbers are there. And here last two numbers are together. So for any three number, we can rearrange them. But the answer remains as it is same. For any kind of value, this formula or this rule is called the associativity of addition. Okay, beta? Associativity of addition. So you can change the order. Same way for you are using these things, associativity numbers for multiplication also. You already studied these things in wall number exercise. How you do these things? Can you write for the other one also? A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. So up to here we completed exercise 11.1 and 11.2. Want to see the how they gave us? They gave us the example also here by putting the value both the side. Will you check it here? 14 plus 27 will give us what is the answer? 11 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 41 plus 13. It's a left side part. Okay. 41 plus 13 will give you a 54. Is it? Same way here is equal to 14 plus 13 plus 27, or you can say 27 plus 13. What will be the answer? My dear student, it is a 40. As it is equal to sign, 14 plus 40 will give us a 54. So here 54 on left side, 54 on the right side. So this called a associativity. What is called this one, beta? Associativity properties. We already studied in our wall lesson part. Is it or not? Associativity of addition of number. Is it? So here we end up our 11.2, 1 to 5 questions. I hope so. You understood. Very easy lesson. Try it in your fair book, which is very helpful to you for further reading time, exam time. and it is very clearly written, question with black pen and answer with blue pen. Now take care, be safe. We will meet in our next session. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.